This is Heidi with R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 8418. It is in new condition. It is a McCoy miller mounted to a new 2026 Ford E450 with a 158-inch wheelbase. The mileage is under 100. It is 2-wheel drive with a 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine. Your overall length is 300 inches. Your overall height is 109 inches, and your headroom is 72. This unit is equipped with an all-new aluminum diamond plate package with flip-up rear step. It also has new rub rails and new fenderettes. It has a new Whelen, Siren, and speakers, and also new Whelen warning and floodlights. This unit is available for sale immediately. It is equipped with a new Cosmal shoreline power with also a Vanner charging indicator. Your left forward has the oxygen storage with also a backboard area. And this will house both an H and an M cylinder with inside-outside access to that cylinder. Your L2 compartment houses your new Vanner inverter and charger. There is a slide-out storage over the wheel well. And your left rear compartment has 2 adjustable shelves with inside-outside access. This unit is equipped with all new Rotary Latches, Paddle Latches, new gaskets, new nadir pins. The load height is 34 inches without any cargo. This unit has all new plexiglass. The body configuration is left side CPR seat with aft and forward action areas. Has a new RC electrical system. Has storage above. It has a new EVS child integrated and adult attendant seat. Your power distribution quarters are housed behind that attendant seat. And as stated, it has an all-new RC electrical system. With that electrical system, it also has a new front console with front panel. It is a walk-through with a door that does shut to the chassis. And you have additional storage below the PDQ area. Also has storage above the walkthrough. This can be changed to a locking cabinet if you need that for a locking drug cabinet. It has a new hose line HVAC system. Your ALS has inside-outside access with a locking sliding drawer here. Could also be used for medical locking cabinet. Your left side has standard squad bench with storage below. Your curbside your right rear compartment houses your backboards and also has adjustable shelves with inside-outside access as well. Have us another small compartment for storage in your right rear. And as stated, your ALS with inside-outside access. Below that is the battery compartment, which houses 2 batteries with a circuit breaker and 1 battery under hood. If you have any questions or would like further information on unit number 8418, please give us a call at 833-736-6868 or visit our website, www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.